Welcome to OklaHome Home Builders, a custom home building company servicing the greater Oklahoma City area. We specialize in beautiful modern farmhouse and Texas Hill Country style homes, but what we really build is memories. We build each home like we would be moving into it. It's so custom, it takes on its own personality. It's special. That's why OklaHome Home Builders has been honored with multiple awards for the Parade of Homes from the Central Oklahoma Home Builders Association each year. From Best Floor Plan, Best Interior Design, Best Decorated, Best Curb Appeal, and Best Overall, we are honored. When a client first comes to us, the first step in the home building process is determining where to build their family's dream home. Our real estate team specializes in helping you find the perfect home site. Or our favorite honor is to build on your own family land. We understand that building a custom home is about way more than just sticks and bricks. It's a transition, a new chapter in your family's life, and we want to help celebrate that. Each OklaHome is built with the utmost in quality. You'll find energy efficiency, you'll find hardwood floors, you'll find out a lot of the quality goes in behind the walls where people don't even see it, but you will feel comfortable that it's there. Next, we'll ask you to name your house. We'll help you choose a unique hashtag so that you and your friends and we can all post photos and virtually build a scrapbook while the home is under construction. Next, we offer our clients a slab signing party. You'll invite all your friends and family over and enjoy lemonade and cookies and get Sharpies, and the kids and everybody can mark directly on the slab of the home. It's a great time for your family to help bless the home with Bible verses, inside jokes, blessings, even an outline of the grandkids' bodies. It's so much fun for the entire family to be a part of this special process with you. Next, you'll meet with Craig and Jennifer Hodgins, the owners, to set a game plan for the whole build, and then with our home designer to put your vision together on the screen. Once the plan is on paper, you'll get to play designer, but with someone always holding your hand each step of the way. With a personal designer and construction manager on site, you'll get to enjoy the process of building your dream home. Let us handle the stress and logistics. So thanks for visiting, and let's get started on your home next.